All right, so you saw my post on Instagram about how I'm building AI tools, but you want to see stuff in actual action. So this guy isn't just another Instagram promoter. So basically, I've been using AI tools to build dashboards. I use Claude, and then I'm using Vercel, which is just a web hosting app that works with AI. And I'm giving it information. I'm putting in Excel spreadsheets, other programs that I've used to track data. So this is a bunch of my athletes. I can set up different groups. I can go, I want a high performance squad, Athlete Academy senior squad. I can do a full drop down list of names. I can just do a search. I've started adding sports. So I've just got AFL and athletics here at the moment. And then as long as I've got testing data, then I can track what athletes are doing. So this is why it's important to book in for testing. So we have acceleration, speed endurance, intensity. This is all standard track and field, get faster, sprinting stuff, right? And then as long as you've got these things, you can see what their times are going to be and get some data that works. So as example, this is just a test player 2. So we just say he's 20 meters, 4.27 seconds. He's 30 meter. So we're at 90% and it gives a target time. So 100% is going to be based off if you've tested their 20 and they're flying 30. Flying 30 is here in orange, which calculates everything else. So when I'm doing a session, I can click through and say, well, I want them to go at 90% today. So on their 40 meter accelerations, they've only got to do 8 seconds. I mean, that's pretty pedestrian, but it's just an example. But then when we flick to intensive intervals at 90%, it changes because we're running slower, we're doing shorter recoveries. And then I go in here and I've got their 100 meter prediction. So I'm tracking their flying 30, their 20. There's not enough data points here, so this becomes unrealistic, obviously. You need lots of data points. For the best results, we're testing flying 30, 20 meter sprint, and we're taking a 60 to give a better indication of a 100 meter target. So this is just a made up athlete. So we're saying as long as they continue to improve, within a year, they'll improve 0.2 of a second. All right, and then I can just flick back. So this is just an example. If I go back to athletes, and my dashboard, I've also got a thing called readiness.